TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman, and this is the 28th day of May, just about another day and a half to go, and we wrap up the month of May. The candle forms for the monthly chart. Look at this monthly chart right up in the Dow, up against, can you believe we're up against the 9 and 14 period exponential moving averages? We're up 142, 25,690. We're testing, remember this inside track repellent zone? We're at the upper end. We're above the 200 period moving average, and it's leg C. So by next week, we should get that leg D. Is that where we'll start to see a reversal? Well, maybe not, because look, the S&P, which has been lagging the Dow a little bit now, is actually ahead in the chart formation. But the last 2 days, the Dow's been a little bit stronger, the last few days actually. Also in leg C at 3,056, it's up 20. I mean, this is after the day was meandering and looked like it was going to be a consolidation down, and suddenly it's up 20. Well, I mean, the buying just keeps coming in. And we were talking about in the DEM, we were talking about the VIX index. We'll look at that in a moment. I'll do my show, the Tiger Conditions Hour, coming up straight after this Tiger Financial News Network noontime update. You're looking at the QQQ, the NDX 100, which for a couple of days has been lagging, is now strong. It's up 2 at 232.36. It has to go above 233.57 to start a new leg to the upside. It's in the middle of the resistance range. I'll talk about that in my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up in a few minutes. And certainly tonight at 4 o'clock this afternoon, I'm doing my webinar. It's going to be a really intense webinar. I'm looking at chart patterns, simple techniques that have worked so well for us all year. And we're going to be looking at them and watch it remain in place for the next few months. And it's going to be very important. Go to the front page of TFNN, check it out. From opening call subscribers, you need to be a subscriber, but it's a money-back guarantee. Look at the IWM. The IWM at this moment is, in fact, up 5 cents at 143.14. It is testing that 200 period moving average. Spent a little time this afternoon talking about this. You don't need a 200 period moving average until you need it. We need it in many of the indices right now. Let's look at gold. Gold is trading up 10. It's still stuck in that range. And the dollar is at a pretty critical moment here. It's down 39 at 98.62. Starts to close underneath 98, and that's the problem. We'll see what happens. I'll be back in a few minutes for my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour, and 4 o'clock for my webinar for subscribers.